Hi, this is Natasha. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is contagious and fashion is a passion. Now, with this, I'm showing my UGG haul. I got it on sale for the winter sale. I like it. As you can see, everything is matchy matchy. Here are the shoes. There you go. Says UGG all the way around. These are going to be great for summer. Isn't it just so pretty? The bottom of it. Okay. That's the shoes. These are the mittens. Now this one really is a winter sale because the shoes can be used for summer. And these are the hand mittens. I like them. They're so cute. Look at them. Okay. So it's two pairs. Well, one pair. Push you in the mind of kitchen mittens. The what do you call them? The ones that you use, the heat mittens to pull things out of the oven. This is what it reminds me of. But it's cute nonetheless. Okay. So now we have this here. Is it this cute? And these are the ear things. Look at that. As you see, it says UGG. As you can see the design. Everything is matchy matchy. I got it on sale, so I think by the time I got through paying for everything, it was okay, these here are 65, and I got them for 10% off. So that'll let you know right there how much were these. These were 78. Now the only thing I didn't get on sale was the shoes. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, it's not showing too well. But these were 78, 10% off of that as well. Let's see how much were the shoes. There's no price here. Let's open the box and see. Yeah, no price on this as well. Just says, wait. No price on this as well. Well, anyways, that was my Uggs haul. Short but sweet and very pretty. So it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless. Bye.